Hey everyone, hope you're having a great day. This is part 4 of the UE5 drivable vehicle series. In this part and the next one, we're going to implement car lighting, including headlights and turn indicators. For this video, I'll focus on separating the light meshes so we can assign and control specific materials later in Unreal Engine 5. I'll also show you the proper way to export the model for Unreal Engine. So let's dive in. First, let's fix the unit settings for both car and blender so we get the correct scale when exporting. From Scene tab, go to Unit section, change unit scale to 0.01. Now select everything by pressing A inside the viewport and scale the whole thing 100 times. It's better to do this before rigging the model because after scaling you're going to face some issues. For example, as you see, the bone placement is not correct. Wheel bones are not at the center of the wheel. I'm going to fix this real quick. You can watch the whole rigging process at the first part of this series by clicking the top right card which appears on the screen. Let's also align the car so the bottom of the tire sits at 0 alongside the Z-axis. We want to make sure the vehicle is properly placed on the ground. Also, don't forget to apply the scale on both armature and the mesh. The goal is to separate headlights from turn indicators. The headlights at the front and back of the vehicle are going to be on or off at the same time, but turn left and right indicators should be independent from headlights. So let's start separating the turn indicators from headlights. The whole body is one mesh, so we need to separate lights from the car body. All the lights are using the same material. I'm gonna use similar select from select menu to select all the faces which have the same material as light material. Now let's select front lights and separate them using P key. Go to select circle mode by pressing W on your keyboard and start selecting the faces which are related to turn indicator light. Finally, separate the selection by pressing P on your keyboard. Let's also do this for the other one. Just like what we did for front lights, let's separate rear lights from the body mesh. Now separate turn indicator lights. In Unreal Engine, materials are assigned to meshes using material slots. So in Blender, we need to create 3 separate material slots, even though they share the same texture. This way, we can control the headlights, left indicator and right indicator separately in Unreal Engine. I'm gonna remove lights and lights body materials on all light meshes. Let's also join rear and front headlights together. Then join left indicators together and right indicators together. I'm gonna create a new material and name it lights. This includes rear and front headlights. Add the light image texture to the graph and assign it to headlights. Let's also do this for turn indicators. This way, when we export the model, there are going to be only 3 slots that are related to the lights, which is what we need. For the last step, I'm gonna rename FL and FR meshes in order to avoid any conflict with bone names. Our car model is now ready and we can export it. In the next part, we're gonna implement lights logic inside Unreal Engine 5. Thanks for watching.